नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। राम राम राम। I welcome you all to the class number 27 of Learn to Chant Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Like always, let us do our salutations to the Guru Parampara, Granthakartas, our Gurus and Shankaracharya. As you all know, the book for the course is Sri Madhaviya Sri Shankara Digvijaya Saraha, which has been compiled by Asthana Vidwan G. Mahabaleshwar Bhatta. Let me start with the Dhyana Shlokas today. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये. So far we have covered all the 214 shlokas in the Grantha, and today I will probably like to do the revision of whatever we have learnt in the last class. So that we will get enough time to practice them, because last class is basically the shlokas that we had learned are in Dirgha Chandas. So it will be useful in that way. So we will do the revision for a few minutes now. I request the students to please raise your hands so that we'll be able to do the revision. Okay, the 208th shloka. Lakshmi Bhushan Mahodaya.
नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार.
Namaste. Namaste.
वादप्रादुर्विनोद प्रतिगतनुसुदी वाददुर्वादतकन्यकार स्वैर दाटी भरित हरित हरिदुपन्यस्तमाहानुभाव्यः सर्वज्ञो वस्तुमर्हत्वमिति बहुमत स्वारमारज्यमोगश्लाघो दुष्यमाणो जयति यदिपति शारदा पीठवासः.
Uttamam, well recited, good try. So some more places you will have to practice some more times, yes, so that it will be easier. I will yes, chant once this shloka so that it will benefit the other students as well. वादप्रादुर्विनोद प्रतिकथन सुधीवाद दुर्वारतर्कन्यकारस्वैरधाटी भरित हरिदुपन्यस्तमाहानुभाव्यः सर्वज्ञो वस्तुमर्हस्त्वमिति बहुमतस्फारभारत्यमोघ श्लाघा जोघुष्यमानो जयति यतिपते शारदा पीठवासः. So we'll have to pronounce it, because the first two padas, if you see, it is actually one word in itself. So hence we will have to hold our breath and try to recite it in full. Okay, we'll go to the next shloka. Mohana Avalambe.
Namo Namaha Mahoday.
Namaste.
Kachabara vahanam pulo majayaha कतिचिदहान्यपगर्भकं यथा स्यात् गुरुशिरसि तथा सुधाशना स्वः तरुकुसुमान्यथ हर्षतोऽभ्यवर्षन्.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Well recited. Practice well. Dhanyavadah. We'll go to the next shloka. Bhanu Vijay. Bhanu Vijay, you can recite.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Mahodaya, I'm not able to get the starting of this.
Okay. Iti munirati tushto.
Iti munirati tushtodyushya sarvagnyapitham nijamata gurutayaino punarmana hetoho katichina viniveshyatharshya shringashramaadau munirata badarim saprapa kaschit svashishyaihi.
Kaishchit swashishyaih. Except for the last word. Well recited. Dhanyavadah. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next shloka. Okay. I request the students to please raise your hand so that I can call out your names. Mohana Sundarajan.
Mahodaya. Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Namaste. Can you
Ram
hear
Ram
me?
Ram.
Ram.
Yes.
एवं प्रकारे कलिकल्मषैः शिवावतारस्य शुभैश्चरित्रैः द्वात्रिंशदत्युज्ज्वलकीर्तराशेः समाव्यत्युः किल शङ्करस्य.
I think there is some disturbance or some internet connectivity issue because your voice is getting dragged at some places and unable to hear that correctly. So I will ask one more student to recite the same shloka. Yagnesh.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
एवं प्रकारैः कलिकल्मषघ्नैः शिवावतारस्य शुभैश्चरित्रैः द्वात्रिंशदत्युज्ज्वलकीर्तिराशेः समाव्यतीयुः किल शङ्करस्य.
Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyavadah. Again, this is also of bigger chandas. Balu Agrahara, can you recite this?
Yes, Namaskar Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaskar Mahodaya.
Ha.
You can hear me? Am I audible?
Yes. Please go ahead.
भाष्यं भूष्यं सुशीलैरकलिकलिमलध्वंसिकैवल्यमूल्यम् हन्ता हन्ता समन्तात् कुमतिनतिकृता खण्डिता पण्डितानां सद्यो विद्योतितासौ विपथ विमथनैर्मुक्तिपद्यानवद्या श्रेयो भूयो बुधानामधिकतरमितः शङ्करः किङ्करोतु.
Uttamam. Very well recited. Dhanyavadah. Venkat Mahodayah. Guravah आगतवन्तः सन्ति.
श्रूयते वा मम ध्वनिः?
हा, अधुना श्रूयते.
सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः. गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। दिनमिनं सुदिनम् अद्य अस्माकं मध्ये समुपस्थिताः श्री महाबलेश्वर भट्ट महोदयाः। तेषां लघु परिचयं कारयितुं प्रयत्नं साहसं च करोमि। महामहोपाध्याय श्री महाबलेश्वर भट्ट महोदयाः बहूनां विद्या तपोनिष्ठानां गुरूणाम् अन्ते वसन्तः परया श्रद्धया तान् समुपसेव्य तेभ्यः व्याकरणादीनि शास्त्राणि सविशेषम् अध्यगीषत। ततो भवद्भिः बेंगळूरु नगरस्थे श्री चामराजेन्द्र संस्कृत महाविद्यालये बहवः छात्राः शास्त्रविद्याम् अध्यापिताः ये अद्य विविधेषु विद्यालयेषु स्वयं अध्यापनरताः परम्पराम् एताम् अनुवर्तयन्ति। अति गहनाम् अपि विषयान् लीलया मनः प्रवेशयन्ती भवताम् अध्यापन चातुरी छात्रवृन्द इव विद्वद्वृन्देऽपि नितरां स्तूयते। भारतदेशे प्रसिद्धासु शास्त्रगोष्ठीषु वाक्यार्थ विचारान् आभीक्ष्णं विधाय शास्त्रीयान् विषयान् प्रकाश्य तेन आनन्दतुन्दिलैः सभाध्यक्षैः असकृत् सभाजिता भवन्तः। महाभागैः संस्कृतछात्राणां शास्त्राध्ययने प्रवृत्तिमिच्छतां सर्वेषां कृते पाणिनीय नय पयः पयोनिधि समालोडन समुद्भूतं नवनीतमिव संधि समास कारकादि विषयकं ग्रंथजालं यत् प्रणायी सुबोधतया सकलार्थ सार संग्राहकतया निरवध्यतया च तस्य तदेव उपमानम्। संस्कृत भाषा प्रसारण कर्मण्यपि भवन्तः चिराय व्यापृताः। अति प्रौढ़ शास्त्र विचार तत्परापि भवन्तः तत्रैव सरलान् अपि विषयाणां बोधने धृतादराः। परशतेषु संस्कृत शिबिरेषु गीर्वाणवाणीं बालान् बोधितवन्तः शिक्षक दीक्षाया निर्दशनायान्ते। तदेवं विद्या समुपासनैक परायणान् भवतः समुद्रमिव सरितः प्रशस्तयः स्वयं समुपागमन्। शृंगेरी शारदा पीठाधीश्वरैः श्री श्री भारती तीर्थ महास्वामिभिः वाक्यार्थ सभायां सानुग्रहं प्रदिष्टं स्वर्णांगुलीयकम् आस्थान विद्वान् इति तैरेव प्रदत्त उपाधिः महामहोपाध्यायः इति राष्ट्रीय संस्कृत संस्थानेन अर्पितं बिरुदं राष्ट्रपति पुरस्कारः च तासु सविशेषम् उल्लेख्याः। तदीदृशान् विद्या समाराधन तत्परान् भवतः आदेशेन शंकर दिग्विजय सारं यत् भवद्भिः संगृहीतं भवताम् आदेशेन पाठितवान् अस्माकम् अध्यापकः रघुनंदन महोदयः उप 500 छात्रेभ्यः एतत् इमं ग्रंथं पाठितवान् सः। प्रायः अक्षय तृतीयादारभ्य तत्र शंकर जयंती महोत्सवादारभ्य अद्य विजयदशमी पर्यन्तं पाठाः समुद्भवन्। भवन्तः एतस्मिन् संदर्भे अद्य अंतिम कक्षा अस्य शंकर दिग्विजय सार कक्षा सार ग्रंथस्य अंतिम कक्षा अद्य अस्ति। अस्मिन् संदर्भे अहं भवन्तं नतेन शिरसा साञ्जलिबद्धेन नमस्करोमि, स्वागतं च व्याहरामि। नमस्कारान् च व्याहरामि। कृपया भवन्तः अस्माकं छात्रान् उद्दिश्य किञ्चित् शंकर दिग्विजय सार विषये उद्बोधयन्तु। एतस्य ग्रन्थस्य विषये किञ्चित् कथयन्तु इति प्रार्थये।
गुरवः प्रायेण म्यूट् मध्ये सन्ति इति मन्ये।
गुरुभिः साकं वार्तालापं कुर्वन् अस्मि, तत्र अन्म्यूट् इदानीम् अधुना अन्म्यूट् अभवत्। विश्वनाथ महोदयः एकवारं संक्षेपेण एकवारम् आङ्ग्लभाषया किमिति सर्वेभ्यः वक्तुं शक्यते वा? एकमेव तत्र विश्वनाथ महोदयः।
अन्ते उपसंहारः क्रियते वा? कर्तुं शक्यते वा? गुरवः इदानीं वक्तुं सिद्धाः।
गुरवः इदानीं वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति। नमो नमः।
श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। नमो गुरुभ्यः। आदौ अधीत श्री शंकर दिग्विजय असारान् सर्वानपि छात्रान् अहम् अभिनन्दामि। भगवत्पादानां चरितमेव अत्यन्तं पुण्यमस्ति। तादृशं चरितं भवन्तः सर्वे अपि पठितवन्तः। इदञ्च चरितं विद्यारण्य महास्वामिभिः सहस्राधिकैः श्लोकैः प्रतिपादितमस्ति। तस्य ग्रन्थस्य नामैव अस्ति माधवीय शंकर दिग्विजयः इति। लोके प्रथितम् इदं काव्यम् ऐतिहासिकमिदम्। मध्ये अहं पृच्छामि, अहं शनैः शनैः संस्कृतेन कथयामि अपि ज्ञायते रघुनन्दन महोदय?
अवश्यं गुरुवर्याः, अवश्यं ज्ञायते एव।
अहं शनैः शनैः सरलेन संस्कृतेन वक्तुं प्रयत्नं करोमि। आदौ मया अयं श्लोकः उक्तः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् इति। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयम् इति पदं तत्र श्रूयते। श्रुतिः नाम वेदः। ऋग्वेदः, यजुर्वेदः, सामवेदः, आथर्वणः वेदः इति वेदाः चत्वारः। पुराणानि 18 सन्ति। पद्मपुराणं, स्कान्दपुराणम् इत्यादिभिः शब्दैः तानि पुराणानि व्यवह्रियन्ते। 18 पुराणानि अपि भगवान् व्यासमहर्षिः रचयामास। लक्षाधिकाः श्लोकाः भवन्ति। लक्षाधिकाः श्लोकाः भवन्ति पुराणेषु। वेदे तु इदं वैशिष्ट्यमस्ति। इदानीम् एकस्य अनुवाकस्य, एकस्य सूक्तस्य, किं बहुना एकस्याः रुचः अर्थम् अवगन्तुं वयम् इदानीं क्लेशम् अनुभवामः। किन्तु चतुर्णामपि वेदानां सारम् 8मे वर्षे एव श्री शंकर भगवत्पादाः गृहीतवन्तः इति श्रूयते। इदञ्च पद्यं सर्वैः अपि श्रुतं श्रूयमाणमपि अस्ति। अष्टवर्षे चतुर्वेदी, द्वादशे सर्वशास्त्रवित्, षोडशे कृतवान् भाष्यं, द्वात्रिंशे मुनिरभ्यगात् इति। अष्टवर्षे एव सः चतुर्वेदी, नाम चतुरः अपि वेदान् ज्ञातवान्, तत्र स्थितान् सर्वान् अपि विषयान् हृदि स्थापितवान् इत्यर्थः। संस्कृते एकवचनान्तेन अपि प्रयोगः पूज्यानां विषये क्रियते। यतः अस्मिन्नेव श्लोके अष्टवर्षे चतुर्वेदी इति एकवचनान्तः शब्दः अस्ति। सा च संस्कृतशैली, किन्तु कथनावसरे वयं भगवत्पादाः इति कथयामः। उभयथापि व्यवहारः संस्कृते शोभते इति मनसि आकलनीयं भवतु। तथैव अष्टादशानामपि पुराणानां सारमपि गृहीतवन्तः। एतादृशं ज्ञानम् अष्टमे वर्षे एव सम्पादितवन्तः इति कृत्वा तान् उद्दिश्य सर्वे कथयन्ति श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् अयम् आलयः। आलयः नाम आगरम् इत्यर्थः, आकरः इत्यर्थः। श्रुतौ ये अर्थाः सन्ति, पुराणेषु ये अर्थाः सन्ति, तान् सर्वान् अपि अर्थान् सः हृदये स्थापितवान्, अथवा ते हृदये स्थापितवन्तः इति श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयम् इत्यनयोः पदयोः अर्थः। करुणालयम् इति अस्ति। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् इति शब्दः अपि अस्ति तत्र। करुणालयः नाम कारुण्यस्यापि सः आकरः इति। भवद्भिः इदानीं श्री शङ्करदिग्विजयसारः पठितः अस्ति। तत्र इमं सन्दर्भमपि जानन्ति। तत्र कः सन्दर्भः अस्ति? यदा शङ्करभगवत्पादाः ब्रह्मचारिणः आसन्, तदा गुरुकुले ते न्यवसन्। तदा भिक्षार्थम् अग्रहारं गतवन्तः। तदा तत्र काचन ब्राह्मणी वटुम् एनं दृष्ट्वा उक्तवती, एतादृशाय वटवे दातुं मम गृहे किञ्चिदपि नास्ति, किं दातव्यं मया? इदमपि किं जन्म? इदं जन्म उद्दिश्य धिक् इति कथयन्ती महता विषादेन एकम् आमलकं दत्तवती। तस्याः वचनं तथा कथयन्तीं दृष्ट्वा, वचनं श्रुत्वा कथा कथयन्तीं च दृष्ट्वा एते करुणार्द्रहृदयाः अभवन्। विद्यारण्यमहास्वामिनां शब्दः अस्ति, पश्यन्तु, इति दीनमुदीरयन्त्यसौ प्रददावामलकं व्रतीन्दवे, करुणं वचनं निशम्य सोऽपि अभवज्ञाननिधिः दयार्द्रधीः। दयार्द्रधीः इति शब्दः प्रयुक्तः विद्यारण्यमहास्वामिभिः। शङ्करभगवत्पादानां हृदयं तदा कारुण्येन पूर्णमभवत्। अहो ईदृशी अवस्था अस्याः ब्राह्मण्याः इति। झटित्येव ते भगवतीं लक्ष्मीं प्रार्थितवन्तः। भगवती लक्ष्मीः अग्रेव आविरभूत्। शङ्करदिग्विजये तयोः सम्भाषणमप्यस्ति। अस्मिन् सारे तयोः सम्भाषणं नास्ति। तत्र लक्ष्मी भगवती लक्ष्मीः वटुम् उद्दिश्य कथयति, इयं ब्राह्मणी पूर्वस्मिन् जन्मनि पुण्यं कर्म न कृतवती, अतः इदानीं कथं वा अहं फलं ददामि, भवान् यत् किमपि इच्छतु अहं भवते ददामि इति। तदा वटुरूपिणः शङ्करभगवत्पादाः अवदन्, हे भगवती, अहं किमपि नेच्छामि, यद्दातव्यम् अस्यै ब्राह्मण्यै दीयताम्। ननु कर्म न कृतं खलु पुण्यं कर्म इति चेत् इदानीम् आमलकं दत्तवती, अस्य दानस्य फलरूपेण तत्र धनं ददातु इति। अत्यन्तं सन्तुष्टा अभवत् भगवती लक्ष्मीः। अस्मिन्नेव वयसि कथं वैराग्यम् अस्मिन् वटौ इति चिन्तयन्ती वटोः प्रार्थनाम् अङ्गीकृत्य तत्र आमलकवृष्टिमेव कारितवती इत्येषः प्रसङ्गः शङ्करदिग्विजये अस्ति, सारे अपि संग्रहेण अस्ति। तत्रैव अपरः अपि अंशः विद्यारण्यमहास्वामिभिरेव उल्लिखितः। यदा भगवत्पादानां माता आर्याम्बा पूर्णानदीं गन्तुम् असमर्था अभवत्, कदाचित् आतपे आगच्छन्तीं दृष्ट्वा करुणार्द्रहृदयाः भगवत्पादाः एवमचिन्तयन्, इयं पूर्णानदी अस्माकं गृहस्य समीपे एव कुतो न वहेत् इति। एवं विचिन्त्य भगवतीं पूर्णानदीं ते स्तुतवन्तः। प्रातःकाले ग्रामे स्थिताः जनाः आर्याम्बा च पश्यन्ति, पूर्णानदी भगवत्पादानां गृहस्य पुरतः एव प्रवहति। तदा सर्वे जनाः अपि आश्चर्यचकिताः अकथयन्, अहो अस्य वटोः महिमा इति। एवं मातुर्विषये कारुण्यं प्रदर्शितं। कापालिकप्रसङ्गोऽपि अस्ति। अस्तु, एवं कारुण्यं बाल्ये एव तैः दर्शितम्, अतएव करुणालयम् इति शब्दं वयं तत्र कथयामः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् इति कथयितॄणाम् आशयः एवम् अस्ति। भगवत्पादानां चरितम् एवमेव कथयन्तः इति भवामः, तदा तच्चरितं कर्णाभ्यां पेयं भवति। अत्र इदं विशेषेण वक्तुम् इच्छामि। तस्मिन् काले प्रसिद्धाः विद्वांसः आसन्। कुमारलभट्टाः लोकेव विख्याताः आसन्। मण्डनमिश्राः ते अपि कुमारलभट्टानां शिष्याः, ते अपि विख्याताः आसन्। यदा कुमारलभट्टान् द्रष्टुं शङ्करभगवत्पादाः प्रयागाभिमुखं प्रस्थिताः, तदा तैः काचन वार्ता श्रुता। कुमारलभट्टाः तुषाग्नौ उपविष्टवन्तः इति प्रायश्चित्तार्थम्। एते झटिति कुमारलभट्टानां समीपं गतवन्तः। तत्र तस्मिन् सन्दर्भे तयोः सम्भाषणं तयोः व्यवहारः अवश्यम् अस्माभिः स्मरणीयः अस्ति। यदा भगवत्पादाः तत्र आगतवन्तः तदा कुमारलभट्टाः परितः स्थितान् शिष्यान् उद्दिश्य अकथयन् ते भगवत्पादाः अत्र आगच्छन्तः सन्ति स्वागतेन अभ्यर्चयन्तु इति। शिष्याः तथैव अकुर्वन्। भगवत्पादानां हस्ते भाष्यमासीत्, तदा एव भाष्यं प्रणीतम्। तैः भाष्यं प्रणीतम् इति वार्तापि कुमारलभट्टैः श्रुता। तेषां हस्ते स्थितं भाष्यं ते पठितवन्तः इति। पश्यन्तु, तुषाग्नौ सन्ति कुमारलभट्टाः, परितः अपि अग्निः शरीरं दहति, तथापि ते भाष्यं पठितवन्तः। पठित्वा ते कथयन्ति, अत्र विद्यारण्य महास्वामिनां वचनमेव शृण्वन्तु। दृष्ट्वा भाष्यं हृष्टचेता कुमारः प्रोचे वाचं शंकरं देशिकेन्द्रं लोके त्वल्पो मत्सरग्रामशाली सर्वज्ञानो नाल्पभावस्य पात्रम् भवादृशां दर्शनमेव लोके विशेषतोऽस्मिन् समये दुरापं पुरार्जितैः पुण्यजयैः कथञ्चित् अद्य मे दृष्टिपथं गतो भूः। मम पुण्येनैव भवतां दर्शनम् अभवतु इति अकथयन् अत्र विद्यारण्य महास्वामिनः एकं वाक्यं योजितवन्तः। लोके त्वल्पो मत्सरग्रामशाली सर्वज्ञानो नाल्पभावस्य पात्रम्। अस्य तात्पर्यमिदमस्ति, प्रायः अन्यं दृष्ट्वा लोकः असूयामेव प्रदर्शयति। एतेपि विख्याताः पंडिताः कुमारलभट्टाः, भगवत्पादास्तु सर्वज्ञाः। तान् दृष्ट्वा एतेषाम् असूया नोत्पन्ना कुमारलभट्टानां। यतः ये सर्वज्ञाः भवन्ति, ये सर्वान् विषयान् जानन्ति, तेषां कदापि क्षुद्रबुद्धिः न भवति। अतः तेषां विषये नाम शंकरभगवत्पादानां विषये महान् आदरः प्रदर्शितः। शंकरभगवत्पादाः अपि ते महान्तः विद्वांसः इति कृत्वा एव दर्शनार्थं गतवन्तः। पश्यन्तु, तस्मिन् काले भगवत्पादाः गृहस्थां द्रष्टुं गतवन्तः। किमर्थं? तत्र वैदुष्यमस्ति, तादृशाः विद्वांसः सन्ति इति तान् द्रष्टुं ते गतवन्तः। एतादृशी मतिः तस्मिन् काले विदुषाम् आसीत् इति अस्मिन् ग्रन्थे विद्यारण्य महास्वामिनः उक्तवन्तः। अस्मिन् संदर्भे इदम् अहं वक्तुमिच्छामि। माधवीय शंकर दिग्विजये प्रायः उपद्विसहस्राः श्लोकाः सन्ति। तत्र बहवः विषयाः संगृहीताः। विशेषेण मंडनमिश्राणां भगवत्पादानां च यः वाक्यार्थः अभवत्, स च वाक्यार्थः विस्तरेण निरूपितः। किन्तु स च वाक्यार्थः सर्वैः अपि अवगन्तुं न शक्यते। अतः आदौ भगवत्पादानां चरितं किम् इति बोधयितुम् अयं माधवीय शंकर दिग्विजय सारः इति ग्रन्थः सज्जीकृतः। एतादृश ग्रन्थान् अध्येतुं भवन्तः प्रवृत्ताः इति मम आनन्दं जनयति तथैव आश्चर्यमपि जनयति। किमर्थम् आश्चर्यम्? अस्मिन् काले अपि एतादृशाः श्लोकाः मया पठनीयाः, एतादृशानां महात्मनां चरितम् अवगन्तव्यम् इति या मतिरस्ति सा मतिः नितरां श्लाघनीया। कदाचित् अहं वेङ्कटसुब्रह्मण्य महोदयम् उक्तवान्, माधवीयशङ्करदिग्विजयसारं यः कोऽपि कण्ठे स्थापयति चेत् शोभते तमाम् इति। श्री वेङ्कटसुब्रह्मण्य महोदयः तस्यां दिशि महान्तं प्रयत्नं कृतवान्। तथैव तस्मिन् विषये श्री रघुनन्दन महोदयमपि एषः आयोजितवान्। इदानीं मया श्रुतं 500 छात्राः अत्र भागं गृहीतवन्तः इति। इदं तु अत्यन्तं सन्तोषं जनयत्येव इत्यत्र सन्देहः नास्ति। अहं तु नितरां सन्तुष्टः। भगवत्पादानां चरितम् अध्येतुम् अध्यापयितुम् अध्यापने प्रेरणं दातुं ये अत्र सहकारं दत्तवन्तः तान् सर्वानपि भगवती शारदाम्बा अनुगृह्णातु, श्रीमच्छङ्कर भगवत्पादाः अनुगृह्णन्तु इति सम्प्रार्थ्य सर्वेषां शुभं भूयात् इत्युक्त्वा विरमामि। सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु।
धन्यवादाः आचार्याः। 500 जनाः पञ्जीकरणं उप 500 जनाः पञ्जीकरणं कृतवन्तः। केचन जनाः तत्र प्रात्यक्षिकेण आगत्य पठितवन्तः। उप 60 जनाः प्रात्यक्षिकेण आगत्य प्रतिपाठम् आगत्य पाठं पठितवन्तः, अभ्यासं च कृतवन्तः। केचन जनाः समयस्य कारणेन ते तत्र रेकार्डिंग श्रुत्वा अभ्यासं कृतवन्तः। एवम् अत्र उप 60 जनानां पारायण गणः निर्मितः इति वक्तुं शक्यते। शङ्करदिग्विजयसारस्य उप 60 जनानां पारायणगणः निर्मितः इति वक्तुं शक्यते। तदपि भवताम् आशीर्वादेन समभूत् इति आनन्दकरः विषयः।
मम आशीः अत्र न भवति, जगद्गुरूणाम् आशीषः तत्र भवन्ति। अनन्तरं भवान् प्रेरयिता अस्ति। सा रघुनन्दन महोदयः तत्र कारकः अस्ति। भवान् प्रेरकः, सः स्वयं कारकः इति कृत्वा अहं भवन्तं रघुनन्दन महोदयं च नितराम् अभिनन्दामि। अस्मिन् कार्ये विश्वनाथ महोदयः अपि सहकारं दत्तवान् इति अहं मन्ये। यतः सः सुब्रह्मण्य महोदयेन वेङ्कटसुब्रह्मण्य महोदयेन सहैव भवति इत्यपि जानामि। अतः सर्वान् त्रीनपि भगवत्पादाः अनुगृह्णन्तु, अस्मिन् मार्गे सदा भवन्तः प्रवर्तन्ताम् इति पुनः आशासे।
धन्यवादाः आचार्याः। नमस्काराः आचार्य।
अनन्त धन्यवादाः। विश्वनाथ महोदयः।
हाँ, सर्वेभ्यः राम 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 नमस्काराः। आङ्ग्लभाषायां वक्तव्यम् इति रघुनन्दनमहोदयेन आदिष्टः। आज्ञां पालयन् प्रयत्नं करोमि। Today we have seen one of the rarest combinations there are 5 rare combinations which we are able to enjoy and experience today. Pancha Vaishishtya Sammelanam iti vaktum shakyate. The first one is the Anugraha Kala. So today we are all in the Adhika Masa, also called as Purushottama Masa, a Masa wherein we should be working towards enhancing our spiritual sadhana. And within that Masa, we are in the Pradosha Vrata Dinam, just finishing the Pradosha Kala. And within that, a very, very Saumya Vasara, also called as Buddha Vasara, which is a Jnanaprada Vasara. So from a Kala perspective, it is one of the best time in which we are there. Anugraha Kaloyam. From the Grantha perspective, again, if we see, again, like Sri Guravaha told us, Madhaviya Shankara Digvijaya and Tasya Granthasya Saraha. The essence of that Grantha, again a Grantha which talks about our Guru Charitra. So from a Grantha also, it is an Anugraha Grantha. From the Anugraha Purushaha or Anugraha Guravaha, if we see, just let us trace the Parampara, how rich the Parampara is. Sadashiva Samarambham, from there to the Adi Shankara Bhagavat Padaha, in their Parampara Sri Sureshwaracharyaha, coming down in that Parampara Sri Vidyaranya Bhagavat Padaha, from there coming down to the Parampara our Sringeri current Jagodguravaha, from there their blessings Sri Ranganatha Sharma Mahodayaha, from their blessings Sri Mahabaleshwara Bhatta Mahodayaha. This is the rich parampara and Guru parampara which we are able to experience through here. So such Guru's Anugraha blessings have all come together on this occasion for this class, for this Samaropa Samarambha, but still it is a Samarambha only today for us. That is the Anugraha Purusha Guru Nam Upasthitihi. That is the third Anugraha. The fourth one is Anugraha Bhashanam. So the Anugraha Bhashanam of our Sri Guravaha Bhatta Mahodayaha, speaking about the Adi Guru Shankaracharya, as mentioned in the Anugraha Grantha, written by again Jagadguru Sri Vidyaranya Mahaswaminaha. So again the Anugraha Bhashanam, very rarely we get the Anugraha of the to hear the Amrita Vachanam, Ashir Vachanam of our Bhatta Mahodayaha Guravaha. So today we are really fortunate that in this online scenario we are able to get that Amrita Vani and get that power recharged for all of us. Finally, the fifth one is the Anugraha Karyam, when all of us have assembled together to do the Guru Kainkaryam, as what Guravaha has told us, this Grantha-Adhyanam, which supports enables the Samskrita-Adhyanam, Samskrita Karyam, which finally supports the Desha Karyam and the Atma Karyam, finally, which all of us have to do. Therefore, Anugraha Kalaha, Anugraha Granthaha, Anugraha Purushaha Guravaha, Anugraha Bhashanam, Anugraha Karyam. All these 5 things have come together, and only those people who are really fortunate are able to come to this class today and experience this Anugraha live. Later on, our sadhakas who are going to listen to the recording are also going to enjoy this. But this Katham Akrita Punyah Prabhavati is what Shankara Bhagavat Padaha says. So Vayam Sarve Krita Punyaha Eva is what I would like to share. Paunah Punyena Namaskaran Yaharami Shri Gurubhyaha Viramamicha. Ram 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 Dhanyavadaha.
राम 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 धन्यवादाः विश्वनाथ महोदयः वेंकट महोदयः अग्रे कर्तुं शक्यते वा पृथ्वी इतोपि 5 श्लोकान् पारायणं करोति गुरुसमर्पणरूपेण समर्पयति
अस्तु।
पृथ्वी अन्तिम श्लोकानि एव पुनः पारायणरूपेण एकवारं वदतु, तद् गुरुसमर्पणरूपेण भवति।
प्रारम्भं करोमि वा?
अवश्यम्।
वादप्रादुर्विनोदप्रतिकथनसुधीवाद दुर्वारतर्कण्यकारस्वैरधाटी भरित हरिदुपन्यस्तमाहानुभाव्यः सर्वज्ञो वस्तुमर्हस्त्वमिति बहुमतस्थार भारत्यमोघ श्लाघाजोघुष्यमाणो जयति यतिपते शारदापीठवासः कचभरवहनं पुलोमजायाः कतिचिदहान्यपगर्भकं यथा स्यात् गुरुशिरसि तथा सुधाशनास्वः तरुकुसुमान्यथ हर्षतोऽभ्यवर्षन् इति मुनिरतितुष्टोऽध्युष्य सर्वज्ञपीठं निजमतगुरुतायै नो पुनर्मानहेतोः कतिचन विनिवेश्याथर्ष्य शृङ्गाश्रमादौ मुनिरथ बदरीं सप्राप कैश्चित् स्वशिष्यैः एवं प्रकारैः कलिकल्मषघ्नैः शिवावतारस्य शुभैश्चरित्रैः द्वात्रिंशदत्युज्ज्वलकीर्तिराशेः समाव्यतीयुः किल शङ्करस्य भाष्यं भूष्यं सुशीलैरकलिकलिमलध्वंसि कैवल्यमूल्यं हन्ता हन्ता समन्तात् कुमतिनतिकृता खण्डिता पण्डितानां सद्यो विद्योतितासौ विपथ विमथनैर्मुक्तिपद्यानवद्या श्रेयो भूयो बुधानाम् अधिकतरमितः शङ्करः किं करोतु इति कृतसुरकार्यं नेतुमा जग्मुरेनं रजतशिखरशृङ्गं तुङ्गमीशावतारम् विधिशतमखचन्द्रोपेन्द्रवायुवग्निपूर्वाः सुरनिकरवरेण्याः सर्षिसङ्घाः ससिद्धाः इन्द्रोपेन्द्रप्रधानैस्त्रिदश परिवृढैः स्तूयमानः प्रसूनैः दिव्यैरभ्यर्च्यमानः सरसिरुह भुवा दत्तहस्तावलम्बः आरुह्योक्षाणमग्र्यं प्रकटितसुजटाजूटचन्द्रावतंसः शृण्वन्नालोकशब्दं समुदितमृषिभिर्धामनैजं प्रतस्थे इति श्रीमाधवीय श्रीशंकर दिग्विजय सारः समाप्तः।
धन्यवादाः। अनन्तानन्त धन्यवादाः गुरुवर्याः। भवन्तः अद्य आगत्य अस्मान् सर्वान् स्वीयवचोभिः अनुगृहीतवन्तः इति पुनः पुनः पौनःपुन्येन नमस्कारान् कुर्मः। नमो नमः। वेङ्कटमहोदयाः अन्यत् किमपि वक्तव्यं वा?
इदानीम् औपचारिकरीत्या कक्षायाः समाप्तिः अनन्तरं तत्र समर्पणं तद्विषये एक प्रेजेण्टेशन् यद् विश्वनाथमहोदयेन स्थापितं तत्सर्वं द्रष्टुं शक्यते।
हा, अवश्यं सर्। As we all know, our class comes to a conclusion with this point. After learning all the 214 shlokas that has been compiled in Madhaviya Sri Shankar Digvijaya Saraha, and there are a few Sangraha shlokas or Sangrahaka shlokas which actually tell the complete life story of Shankaracharya in one shloka. One such shloka is this, which I am just displaying. I'll also tell once. So all of Prithvi will repeat after me once only. So this is probably most of you have already heard and know it. So just as a reminder, it is being told here. Prithvi, please repeat after me once. Aryamba jathare janihi.
आर्याम्बा जठरे जनिः
Dvijasati daridrya nirmoolanam.
द्विजसती दारिद्र्यनिर्मूलनम्
Sanyasashrayanam gurupasadanam.
सन्न्यासाश्रयणम् गुरूपसदनम्
श्रीमण्डनादेर्जयः
श्रीमण्डनादेर्जयः
शिष्यौघग्रहणं सुभाष्यरचनम्
शिष्यौघग्रहणम् सुभाष्यरचनम्
सर्वज्ञपीठाश्रयः
सर्वज्ञपीठाश्रयः
पीठानां रचनेति
पीठानां रचनेति
संग्रहमयी
संग्रहमयी
सैषा कथा शाङ्करी
सैषा कथा शाङ्करी
एकवारं पूर्णं वदतु
आर्याम्बा जठरे जनिः द्विजसती दारिद्र्यनिर्मूलनम् सन्न्यासाश्रयणम् गुरूपसदनम् श्रीमण्डनादेर्जयः शिष्यौघग्रहणम् सुभाष्यरचनम् सर्वज्ञपीठाश्रयः पीठानां रचनेति संग्रहमयी सैषा कथा शाङ्करी.
Uttamam. So this shloka depicts the entire picture of Shankaracharya. Please be on mute.
Hari Om. Namaste Acharya.
Okay. So the birth in Aryamba's stomach or in the garbha of Aryamba, and then Dvijasati Daridra Nirmulanam. Yatha Guravaha has explained today the Karunya of Shankaracharya, the Suvarna Vrishti episode, which we can recollect, that is told in this second phrase, Sanyasashrayanam. Then we can remember the incident, what happened in the lake, that the crocodile would catch me if I don't take up sannyasa, etc. And then Guru Pasadanam, doing the Guru Seva, and then Mandanader Jayaha, going to lot of places and winning all the exponents in various shastras, in various disciplines, in various siddhantas, and establishing Advaita Tattva. Shishyogha Grahanam, making lot of students all over the country as his students or disciples. Subhashya Rachanam, by writing very great bhashyas, and Sarvajna Peethashrayah, going to the Kashmira and then opening the door that was towards the south, which was not open at all so far by anyone, and Peethanam Rachana. So, and then establishing the 4 mats in 4 directions. Esha Sangrahamayi Katha, Esha Katha Sangrahamayi Katha Vartate Shankari. So this is in a nutshell, this is the story of Sri Shankaracharya. So let us all learn this and keep practicing this every day. And this one, as Guravaha told, I have just made a note of it. So since I'll be uploading the slides, you'll be able to get this. These are also the Sangraha shlokas about Shankaracharya. And the Shruti Smriti Purananam, this all of us know it well as well. With that, I want to extend my special dhanyavadaha, special thanks to the 2 panelists who are always there in most of the classes, except for 1 or 2 in between maybe. So of course you would all have seen Amogha because his video was enabled, but Prithvi is the only voice that you always hear, the sweet and pleasant voice, the melodious voice, but you wouldn't have seen her. So she is Prithvi, the first image. Dhanyawadaha Prithvi for participating in every week and reciting without any mistakes and very well. Dhanyawadaha Amogha. So sometimes when I was unable to start the class or etc. and you have helped me with the revision and so on. Punaha Dhanyavadan Samarpayami. Namo Namah.
धन्यवादाः राम 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 महोदय
Dhanyawadaha. So there are a few more things that I have to share with you all. So since today being the last class, and there are a few announcements, and basically based on some of the questions that you are also asked and sent over email and so on. So few of you had asked me like is there a way how we can actually pay any Guru Dakshina or anything like that? So I just wanted to take that as a question in general for all of you, and then answer a few of them through this slides and a brief presentation about what what we as Vyoma are doing and what are the related courses that are available, and so that you can make the best benefit of the online resources through Vyoma. So these are the 3 websites you can just go through, even from sanskritfromhome.in. About us, if you go, you'll be getting the other 2 links and so on. So first thing is, this is just a brief metrics of how many students are there, how many teachers are there, and how many courses are going on and so on. There are 18 self-learning multimedia products, 191 free courses which is available on sanskritfromhome.in, and 16 free mobile apps are there to learn from scratch, that is Bala Modini, etc., and also to learn some of the advanced topics of grammar like Sandhi, etc. is available. And there are almost 2000 plus video recordings are there from various courses and various discourses and so on, and 29,000 committed learners who are there, part of Vyoma. And all this has been possible only by your generous support and generous support. So dhanyawadaha for that again and again. So how you can help us? So in the order of the best is what is being listed over here. By learning what is shared in the class, at least 15 minutes every day. Keep it as a regular practice. Whatever the 214 shlokas that we have learned, along with the Dhyana shlokas and the Sangraha shlokas, keep yourself a time every day. You can chant, say 10 shlokas each, 20 shlokas each, so on. So that is the best way in which you can actually pay the Guru Dakshina. First thing is that by learning what has been shared, and please continue doing that on a regular basis. That is the first way. Next is by teaching those or these shlokas further to any of the interested students, may it be your friend or may it be a kid who stays next door, etc. So please share the knowledge that you have learned. So only when we teach, we'll be able to learn further or better. And next is by referring Vyoma's courses, products, etc. to your friends, relatives, colleagues, and so on, so that they can also join and enjoy the real happiness through learning Sanskritam. And again, by your generous donation, how much ever you would wish to give, it will really be valuable to Vyoma, and we will be able to produce more and more such resources and courses in future. So I request all of you to please take up your own mental commitment, that is every day at least I will spend so much time, and at least by next year I will teach one more person a set of these shlokas, etc., so that you can be the owner of your commitment and you will be able to do it well. So that is the best Guru Dakshina that anyone can offer. So for any of the specific donations, etc., what is it taking the amount and other things, these are all available in the newsletter which has been published by Vyoma, and it is available on the website also, which I'll be just showing in a minute. So this is just the figures for you to just have an idea of what Vyoma is doing and what are its requirements, and how much any help from you will be really of great use. So for donation in Indian rupees, you can visit Vyoma sanskritfromhome.in or vyomalabs.in, any of this website. There is a icon for donate. You can click on that, or you can also do through net banking, NEFT, or any other possibility is available. And similarly, if you're staying in US, or if you want to donate in dollars, so you'll be able to log into vyomausa.org, that is website, and there again there is a donate now button which you can again click on, and it is very easy and simple process. It's just a two-step process. You need to just click and provide the details, and then you will be able to do the donations and so on. So for any other currency, you can do the wire transfer to Vyoma Linguistics Labs, etc. So if you want to know more details about this, I will share the email addresses and other things in a minute, so that you can definitely use to send your requirements or request to any of these two email IDs: venkat.s@vyomalabs.in and vishram@vyomalabs.in. So we are fortunate that both of Venkat sir and Vishwanath sir have come to today's class, and they have spoken to you all as well. For any other comments or queries, etc., you can always reach out to me through my email ID, which is raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. So now I will be showing you the websites wherein you will be able to navigate yourself through. So these are the websites. vyomausa.org is one of the website. This is for US, and vyomalabs.in is for India website. So here itself you'll be able to see the donate icon, and you can go through the website to know more about what all things Vyoma is actually doing. So similarly this as well. So this will take a few minutes to update the numbers. So there's some issue with the internet, looks like. So here you can click on this and you'll be able to get it. And some of you said that during the lockdown you were fortunate to attend this course. I would vouch. You can please visit sanskritfromhome.in website. There are a lot of other courses which are ongoing right now. So kindly go to them, and it will be of much help for all of you. You can actually click on the courses based on the category by subject, type, language, etc. And you can also see all the ongoing webinars on towards your right. So you can click on any of these links and you will be able to register, and please make the best use of the resources available here. With that, I will conclude now. So I'll open up for any of your questions or any other comments, etc. Please raise your hand so that I can call out your names so that you can speak. I'll call in any order. So, okay, Balu Agrahara.
Mahodaya, will you be teaching any other subject in this particular time slot?
Nothing is currently planned yet. So if there is anything, we will be communicating it through the email. Dhanyawadaha.
Please.
Thank you. Lata Sundaram.
Hello. Yeah, when
Namaste.
is the namaskar? Hai? When is the exam? Sorry, when is that schedule for the
Okay, so I have received some of the requests as well, saying that the time slot, if it is there only on one day, it will be difficult because of different time zones as well as working and other reasons. So there will be 2 slots in which the exam will be done. So I'll be communicating to all those who have registered, and from there you will be receiving the email communication on that.
Okay, thank you. Dhanyawadaha.
Okay, sure. Dhanyawadaha. Okay. Next, Mohana.
Namaskara once again, Mahodaya. This is I'm piggybacking on the person's question. I just wanted to know how long does this slot will be? How many minutes? Because I have to I have to allot other meetings because I've started working. So I just want to know how long it will take, the duration of the exam. That's all for each person.
Duration of the exam for each person from login time to logout time, it would be somewhere around 15 minutes is what you can think. So because I need to still work on how many students have registered and so on. So the more details you'll be getting to know through emails.
Oh, dhanyawada.
Okay. Ashok Arvi, you're on self mute. You can unmute and speak.
Yeah, namaskaram.
Namaste.
First of all, wanted to thank you. This was my first yoga class, which I joined in April. And after that, I joined Sriman Narayana. This has been a very, very good journey for me. And I wanted to thank you personally for your very, very meticulous and methodical work which you are doing. And this has kindled my interest in slokas, and I'm regularly practicing it. And thanks to you. I just want to say thanks to you. No questions from my side, but I wanted to thank you from my bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot.
Dhanyawadaha. Please do continue learning the shlokas. Dhanyawadaha. Okay. Chakradharena Mahodaya. You're on self mute. Chakradharena Mahodaya.
Dhanyawadaha Mahodaya. Actually, it's like feeling like we have to have one more classes from you, which would be a continuation probably of the Shankara Digvijaya Sara shlokas that are present in the book. So I hope you get we all get blessed with the opportunity to participate in that class also. So I would request humbly to conduct whenever it is possible from Vyoma Labs, and it has been a really great experience to just be part of all the classes. So yeah, I have no questions other than expressing my regards and to all the people of Vyoma Labs and Mahabaleshwara Bhatta and everybody. Yeah, Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha. Sure, we will surely plan for something and definitely communicate soon about that. Dhanyawadaha. Okay, Bhanu Vijay.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Can two people register from the same form for the exams? Like one for memorization and another for Parayanam?
Yes, but definitely their name and details. Sure, got it. So you can definitely update the correct fields, like name and other details. You can fill it correctly. That should be possible.
Because me and my mother both have.
Yeah, sure. We can do that. You're on mute.
Okay,
But
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha. Mohana Sundarajan.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Can you hear me? Because already you told some networking problem. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Again, I would like to convey, on behalf of all the participants, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Mahodaya, sir. Thanks a lot. You have taken strenuous efforts as told by you, as advised by you, and as suggested by you. We all will be regularly practicing the slogas. I may not be participating in the memorizations. Sorry, sir. Don't mistake me. I really feel shy. But anyway, I will be practicing the slogas. Today also I have learned, I have heard from the YouTube, your voices and all. I will be remembering forever. You have taken strenuous efforts. I am thanking from the bottom of my heart on behalf of all the participants. God bless you, Ji, Guruji. Thank you so much. Thanks to Vyoma Lab. Thanks to Vyoma Lab for arranging such nice courses, because as somebody said, this is the first sloga class I was attending, and later on I joined Bhagavad Gita and also Narayaniam classes. So still those classes are still going on, and I would like to thank the panelists also, panel members also. Thanks a lot for the strenuous efforts again and again. I'll be remembering this class forever, sir. It will be a green memory, and every day while doing work in the kitchen, I'm hearing your voice, sir. I'm hearing the slogas, so that it will get memorized automatically. It will get memorized in my mind. That is my idea. Thank you very
Sure.
much.
ధన్యవాదాः.
Thank you so much.
ధన్యవాదాः for the
God
kind
bless
words.
you. Dhanyavadaha. God bless you. Dhanyavadaha.
Namaste. Okay. Shesha NR.
Namaskaraha, Mahoday. Thanks at the outset for providing us the case opportunity. One question I have is, when I went into this vyomalabs.in, the donate field is showing 0.00. If I click on that, it is not moving into the figure which I want to enter. Is there some bug in that?
Vishwanath sir is also available here. So Vishwanath sir, would you like to answer that question?
किम् अभूत्?
Vyomalabs.in मध्ये तत्र donate मध्ये तत्र amount they are unable to enter the required amount. So is there any issue with the website or anything?
I will just check. I am also just entering. Or alternately, they can just go to Sanskrit from home. Through that, they can enter. Actually, Vyoma Labs is working for me. If you can just refresh and do it. I just opened Vyoma Labs.
I also just opened it. There was a blue button at the bottom, donate 0.00. So it's a editable field or not, I'm not able to get normally. So let me try.
Okay. We understood the problem. In the top, just start filling the form. There is one starting saying other amount. Just fill, let us say 100 rupees or 1 rupee there. And if you just come down, automatically that donate button will update by itself.
Oh, right. Okay.
That's it. Just in the start, when you do, automatically this button will get updated.
Okay. Hope that is.
Let me try, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, clarified the point. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Next, another few minutes we have. We will just close it in a few minutes. Shankar Narasimhan. Shankar Narasimhan. Namaste. You have any questions or any comments? You are unmuted now. No, your voice is very feeble. Can you please speak near the mic?
Yeah, actually it's a Windows problem. Windows update problem. So yeah, thank you very much, and it was an excellent course. I wish to see you in any other Vyoma Labs presentation, and I would also put a request for
Sir, again, we lost your voice in between. Like the last part was not. I could listen to the request, but.
So I would like to I would like you to teach the Rudram Chamakam next course in Vyoma Labs. So that's my humble request. Also, since I joined very late, I would like to know. I mean, when the exam.
So, okay, for that point, exam dates I will be communicating through email. So for the students who have registered through the application form, so that application form I'll also show it today, so that those who haven't registered yet can actually register it. So tentative date I had initially told that 21st October, which is next week. So form link is this one, tinyurl.com/STS exam. You would have also received one email with respect to that. So that should be the one which you should be able to register through that. Okay, and for the other request, definitely Mahodaya, we will work and we will see what courses we can come up with next, and we will definitely do that. So dhanyawadaha for that. So hope I've answered your questions. So I think there are no other questions or anything. If there are, please raise your hands so that I'll give opportunity to you all to speak today. Otherwise, Vishwanath Mahodaya, you can speak for next.
Astu. Dhanyawadaha. On behalf of Vyoma Labs, our sincere thanks to all the supporters who have joined here, and all these blessings which you have given with so much of love and affection is what keeps us motivated to continue in this journey. So those are really treasure and invaluable for us, and especially for our Raghunandana. He is a rare gem actually in Vyoma now. His combination wherein he has studied engineering, and in the Laukika Vidya he is a very exponential, a very stalwart and intellectual person in Laukika Vidya. He has done his masters in computational linguistics, which is again a great field by itself. He has also done his Acharya Vidvat in Vyakarana Shastram with lot of Shraddha Bhakti and lot of knowledge. His Guru Bhakti, his Veda Adhyayana Shilata, the Vaidika Prayoga Jnanam, his Kalpa Jnanam, all this when we put together, it is very rare to find such people in this young generation. So such people, when they take up these kind of causes, it really makes lot of us brim with joy and hope for a great future. So on behalf of Vyoma, on behalf of all the students here, all the supporters here, we again and again thank Shri Raghunandan Mahodaya. And like all of you have actually requested, from Vyoma side also we request that he can provide some more slots and take up some more classes in the interest of the students, and which will be very helpful for the students. So he's again, above all that, what is that which makes him really a powerful person is that Sringeri Guru Parampara Ashirvadam which he has, and that Ashirvadam we also got today. That itself is a proof of the success of this class and the Shraddha of each of you. Like when each one of you are telling about this class, we are able to see that passion, that joy in your words. So thanks again to everybody. Special thanks to Raghunandan Mahodaya. Shigrameva Agami Kakshayam Pashyamaha iti vayamapi prarthayamahe. Ram Ram Ram. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः सर, अवश्यं यावत् शक्ति यथाशक्ति अग्रे आगामि कक्षायां मिलामः. धन्यवादाः all, and with this I also wish you all the best. Shubhamastu. So please keep doing the Parayanam at whenever you get time. So especially on the Parva Kalas, like during 5 days during the Shankara Jayanti. So please try to do the Parayanam in full on all the 5 days. That will be the first step that you can actually practice doing it. Also on some of the major occasions like Guru Purnima or on Vijayadashmi, etc. So please do follow that. Along with that, so now we have completed the Sara. So on your own, you can actually take up the bigger Grantha, which is the Madhaviya Shankara Digvijaya, which is having around 1800 around shlokas. So that you can split up over like 5 to 6 days or a week, etc. And every day now, since that you have got the stamina to recite 200 shlokas with practice, even there also you'll be able to do it. Choose say 150 to 200 or 250 shlokas per day and try to keep chanting it. So that way you will be able to explore newer granthas or bigger granthas, and you will feel the joy of doing the Parayanam of such granthas. So with that, again, my humble pranams to all of you. Dhanyavadaha for attending all the classes sincerely and participating in the discussions, etc. So there's one thing which still was pending on me. I couldn't grade all your assignments and send the feedback, but I will be doing it soon, or at least by end of this week is what I project to finish completing that task. So with that, I again say dhanyawadaha sarvebhyah. Ram Ram Ram. Bhavashankara Deshikame Sharanam. Namo Namaha. For further details related to the exam, I'll be communicating through emails. Dhanyawadaha. Namo Namaha.